This is honestly the best season to do it with Classy Resto.
Yeah. These guys are also stacked. Just be warned. Their worst for the week is a .18. Absolutely stacked.
1.18.
A .18. Absolutely stacked.
Bro,
Geek and stacked.
trolling me.
That's their best .18.
No, that's their worst. Their best is a .77. Permission
Oh,
to try to
right.
1v3? Can I please try to 1v3?
So what you're saying is I should try to just melee them all.
Bet, bro. Let's go in. Let's all go in. Melee's only.
No.
Melee's only?
For the first round, melee's only.
First round? Okay,
Oh my gosh. Give me a glaive.
No.
No,
Punching.
fist boy.
Use your fist. We're bringing fists to a gunfight.
I mean, like, I'm on
Or
the
shields.
thing where I have to throw my knife first, but whatever.
No, that's fine. That's fine. Throw it at the sky.
That's a melee. That's a melee.
Technically.
Let's get in there and get him.
This is probably gonna go bad.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, this is working!
Get him. Oh, fuck.
I'm getting a res. Hold on. He's shooting. He's shooting. He's not playing by the rules.
I'm just, yeah, he's not playing. Let's go get him.
Let's go! wait, let's see if we can beat these guys just with fists. Let's see if we can
No,
beat these
man.
guys just with fists.
That's so dumb.
But it may work!
What are they doing? They're charging in melee.
They're just
Fucking hunters.
punching. Oh, this one's gonna be a little bit harder because they
Expect
have
it
the,
now.
Yeah, they have bad.
reach.
I'm going around.
Honestly,
Oh!
Up.
I see you.
Alright, hold it here. Hold here with me. Hold here with me. Get ready.
I'm throwing a grenade. Get him off it.
Oh,
Nope.
Help him, help him, help him! Help him!
I'm trying.
Yes!
I'm trying to melee.
Yes! No!
Aw.
Alright, let's go again, Come on.
All right, let's shoot.
No, not yet. It's only 1-1.
What? Jeez. I'd hate to let they could get lucky rounds.
They could. That's why I
I'd
said
hate-
we only let them get
Yeah.
one up at max.
Okay, so one more.
No,
One
if
more.
we win this, then more than one more. But if we lose this, then only one more. Yeah.
That's fine.
they're BBBB. Hold on, boys. You guys go get him.
No, he shot me. Somebody help.
Hold up. There's so many fucking melees.
Stupid. This is
It
so
worked!
stupid.
It worked!
They completely ignore me and just let me punch them from behind.
I'm gonna
Let's go again.
I'm gonna put my other melee on to get another knife.
Fair.
Good God.
Let's go get him again, boys.
Heavy round. Those are
Heavy round. We have to pick
perfect.
up heavy and then
No, we
fire at
don't.
someone
No, we just
random.
have to push. We just have to use this bait.
Oh,
Alright.
the sword count as melee?
Oh, you kidding me?
No.
Punch him! Punch him!
Melee-
No! No guns. They're not a round up yet. They are not a round up yet.
I get that, but so if we get to 3,
And they're
Okay.
2, then we keep going. If it's 3-3 though, then we'll start shooting.
yeah,
We'll pull out guns.
If it's 3-3, we'll start shooting.
Sounds good.
okay.
I'm still having fun doing this though.
Yeah, bro, this is ridiculous.
So dumb.
They are left side.
But there's one dude right.
You not eat my nade.
Let's go. Come on.
Yeah, boys.
Bro, I can't believe this is fucking working. What?
What is his level? Okay, he should have double melee me to win, and I tanked it.
The fact that we haven't fired a single bullet basically this whole match.
Permission to put this on
Kinda-
YouTube, guys?
100%
So dumb.
just a melee fucking game, bro. Oh, they're over here! What's over here? Ah! I'm running back to you guys.
He's got Arbalist!
No, just hold B.
Come here.
Oh, or not. We'll attack him in the open, sure.
I can get my res.
Not yet.
Oh!
He's looking at it. Alright, it's 3-3.
I
Let's
can
start
only
shooting.
put this on YouTube if we do all melee.
Oh man.
I mean, it's game 1, right?
game 1.
Yeah, let's just fucking send it.
Yeah.
Let's send it.
Alright, fine.
Let's get him.
That doesn't mean we have to run into them if they're in the.
Oh yeah,
in the
honestly,
open.
don't be dumb
We can
about
we
it.
can go play cap and make them push.
Which as long as we punch to kill. It's smoke. It's smoke.
I'm dead. I'm in the grenade. One more.
I'm on him. I'm on
He's
him.
still right- Yeah.
Let's go!
That was totally ring around the rosy.
Yeah, dude, this is fucking ridiculous. How are they letting us do this to them?
I hope they're having fun by getting some respect by just like.
God know if I would call this respectful.
No,
I mean,
this is hard disrespect. Ooh, that's a GL.
I'm going around the other side.
Nope, don't. No.
No, no.
Oh, that's what you mean by the other side. No, I'll go.
I'm dead.
I'll come join you. I'll come join you. Gambit, back up. I'm coming.
Nope.
Okay.
They're
Luck.
just literally hiding now all the way in the back.
Yeah, they got a well. We might want to play because they have a well, but.
Well, that's not fun. I'm
No,
about to
they
get
got
bubbled.
supers.
They have supers everywhere.
Honestly, if they pop that well, I will blade brush it.
I have. No, that's fine. I throw on power grinds too.
Let's use grenades.
Well, if you have your bubble, pop it on top and just beat the shit out of them.
Yes, exactly.
I'm at divider.
I'm at small. We're just gonna take control
Okay,
top.
Got bubble.
Okay, they're going on B. Oh no! Got him.
Okay.
Flash as well.
Wait, hold up. No, stop
Bubble,
it.
bubble, bubble, bubble.
No, there's no need. Stop it. Just punch him.
Did you put bubble on it?
Yeah, back up. I already bubbled. Just give me a sec. I'll come in a sec. Just give me literally 1 second. Do not paragraph. Do not blade barrage. Just trust me.
No, I'm not.
What?
I'm
Okay,
not blade.
we're trying that again. There it is.
Get him.
Thank you.
Ah, there it is. The melee.
Bro, an entire game of we won just by meleeing. What the fuck is
So
that?
dumb. So dumb. Good God.
Bro, I was just battling that.